Every day, thousands of fresh watermelons arrive at this massive factory. But what happens next will completely change how you think about fruit juice forever.
Welcome to our modern watermelon processing plant. Today, you'll see how fresh watermelons are transformed into pure juice, step by step.
Ensure the flow remains steady, and we can't handle a backup right now.
Understood. I'll monitor the pace of the belts.
Printing.
As you can see on the monitor, the bricks measurement is stable at 12.5.
The color analysis confirms the vibrant hue.
And that's how fresh watermelons are transformed into pure juice, from farm to factory to your table.